In KTern, you can see the eye icon for each work item, except for phase and work package level tasks. Clicking on this icon enables you to manage and access the comprehensive information of the work item. In the Overview tab, you can find the task title, description, status, active percentage. When a task is in active status, you can set the active percentage to update the team on the task's progress. This field is editable only for leaf tasks, as parent tasks automatically calculate their active percentage based on the roll-up value from child tasks. You can define the nature of the task in the task type field. You can tailor the task type to match your project needs by reaching out to our customer support through the Ticket Center. To access the Ticket Center, click on your profile and select Ticket Center. You can also see the parent task name, and changing the parent task name will move the task from one parent task to another, helping you set up the hierarchy. Additionally, you can set the sprint and priority for the task. In the Stakeholder Information tab, you can view and assign an owner and multiple participants to a task. The owner is the primary working stakeholder, while participants are those who work on and support the task. To filter tasks by stakeholders, you can find separate individual filter options. Here, you can see who created the task. In the Planned versus Actual section, you can set the task start and end dates. The days set as holidays in your project calendar will be unavailable to select. The actual start and end dates are auto-captured. When the task changes from new to active status, the current date is captured as the actual start date, and when its status changes to completed or approved, the current date is captured as the actual end date. The planned duration is automatically calculated based on the planned start date and planned end date, assuming 8 hours per day. For example, if the dates are set for 2 days, it will calculate it as 16 hours. The actual duration is also set automatically by comparing the actual start and actual end dates. Additionally, you can set the planned and actual location, as well as the planned and actual environment to specify which SAP landscape this task is planned for. All your connected SAP systems to KTern will be shown here. Under Reference, you can add any work item, process, or event as a reference to this task. Based on your selection, all the items of that type in your project will show. Select one, and click on the tick icon. If any subtasks are created for this task using Clone and Create, the subtask will be added as a reference to this task. Click on Insight to see the reference count, and count in each type. Click on any reference to see its details. Use the Discussion section to discuss the task and tag users by putting at and selecting their names. The tagged person will be notified in My Workspace mentions, and also through mail. Under History tab, you can view the history of all changes to this task, including when it was created, any date changes, any parameter changes, and adding references. Also, all the changes are captured with the name of the user who performed, and the date when it was performed. Maintaining history is important to prevent any unauthorized changes to data in a collaborative platform. Under File, you can upload files related to this task. Click on the I button to have the preview of the file. Under Wiki Notes, you can include images, text, or hyperlinks for various use cases. To add a hyperlink, click on the link icon, enter the URL, and give it a display name. The given text will now become a hyperlink. Under the hierarchy, you can see under which wave, phase, and parent task this task falls.